Okay, so just like the hatch command, we have other hatch command, that is gradient. So if I come to my draw panel, I can see inside the hatch itself there is a gradient command. So if I select it, you can see a similar type of options that we get just like the hatch command. So it asks me to pick an internal point, and before that I want to change my color. So right now it's blue and yellow. I want to make it black and yellow for now. And let's say if I select this, you can see how the linear distribution of color is going on because it's linear. And if I go for a cylindrical, you can see how subtle changes is going on. In volute cylinder, we have three different options, and this one is ghost wood. No, we don't want that. Let's give it to linear. And once you're happy with that, you can close the hash pattern like that. So very easy and very effective to present several different things in your drawing, and you can utilize the gradient hatch as well. And yeah, that's it for the gradient hatch. Now you can always edit them from the modify panel. If you come to modify panel and pin it, you can see there is a hatch edit hatch command, and you can click on your gradient and you can change your colors pretty much from here and change the orientation. So let's say I'm going for that one. Okay, let's see how we can quickly edit our gradient in Autocad.